We just got our brand new fridge! Woohoo! We've been waiting almost 2 weeks. Hola, Lucas!
Hola.
Are you enjoying life in Spain?
Yeah, I am.
We need to set this area up. We're actually going to the shop now to get some stuff for it. So hopefully we'll have a nice little cozy corner. We need to get the pool put in soon, but we desperately need a new kitchen. I think kitchen's gonna come first because our sink is broken and we have like a really ugly countertop. So definitely need a new kitchen. But I'm excited for this area. It'll be really nice. Our fridge has come and we're on our way to Carrefour, which is like a Walmart, but in Spain. So we're on our way and we're gonna get some groceries and then finally we can actually cook some food instead of eating beans or going out to eat. Okay, so another look at what we've done so far. It actually looks really cool.
In my new favourite area. Loads of work to do.
Yeah.
How cool is it out here? I love it.
It looks really
It's a
good.
bit hot though, isn't it, still?
Yeah. We need to clean off all of this.
I'm going to hose it all down tomorrow.
Yeah. And then we have a little light that we're gonna pop up there. And then we're gonna do like a really cool grass wall with lights and get some lights going up there as well.
This wall here?
Yeah, the grass wall, I think.
Buenas noches.
So we're all in bed. It is 1 o'clock in the morning and we've had a long, crazy day. Although Carrefour and Leroy Merlin was actually good fun shopping there. I really enjoyed that.
Yeah, and the first time I ever had fun shopping.
It was good fun, to be fair. But we need to go to bed. It is so late. So good night, guys. Buenos noches.
Buenas noches.
Buenas noches.
And adios, amigos.
Adios.
Adios.
Good morning. We're letting the cats out for a little bit, just in this little weird, whatever you call it, area. We haven't let them out yet, so we're a little nervous. Hey, kitty. But they seem intrigued. What do you think of the new area, Lucas?
It's getting cozy.
We just need a lot more to do, huh? We're on our way to the beach! Satnav wants us to go down this dirt road to get to the beach. Oh my gosh.
Hey guys, we are just finding some snorkel gear and we will see you soon at the beach.
Floated in the water. The water was so warm and so blue. Say hi, guys.
Hey.
Did you enjoy the ocean?
Yeah.
It was so pretty.
Ready for a snooze.
Oh yeah. I think we found our go-to beach for sure. The water was so clear and so warm. going to a waterfall tomorrow, which will be so much fun. I'm really excited. But right now, I think it's bedtime. The boys have just taken Rosie for a walk. So they'll be back soon. Oh my gosh, Alice, you look crazy. Hi. So waterfall tomorrow, but now we're going to sleep. And we'll see you guys tomorrow. Adios, amigos.